Although mitosis and meiosis have much in common, meiosis has three unique features: synapsis, homologous recombination, and reduction division. Following chromosome replication, homologous chromosomes or homologues pair all along their length. The process of forming these complexes of homologues is called synapsis. The second unique feature of meiosis is that genetic exchange occurs between the homologous chromosomes while they are physically joined. The exchange process that occurs between paired chromosomes is called crossing over. The third unique feature of meiosis is a reduction division. At the end of meiosis, each cell contains only half the original complement of chromosomes. Because of the crossing over that occurs during the first division, the sister chromatids in meiosis II are not always identical. Omitting a chromosome duplication before meiosis II produces haploid gametes.